Hello, welcome to Crypto Street. I am Violet. Today is the 27th of June, 2022. This video we will talk about Shiba Inu portal rewards. Here is when Shiba Inu portal rewards might be shared. Details according to recent updates provided on the Shiba SwapDex Twitter handle. The much-awaited Shiba Inu portal rewards, or Ryoshi Vision rewards, might be distributed in the next 48 to 72 hours from June 20. The Shiba SwapDex team promises to provide another update upon the release of the rewards and subsequent completion. In late April, the Shiba Inu portal was created in collaboration with the creators of Ryoshi's Vision, an ERC20 token attempting to expand the Shiba ecosystem. The Shiba Inu team explains its essence. The burn portal was built to reward Shiba burners with a passive income acknowledgement in the form of Ryoshi rewards. In addition, 0.49% of all Ryoshi transactions will be distributed to owners of burnt SHIB. It also launched a Shiba Burn smart contract that projects could use to create a burn pool and to offer rewards for burning SHIB tokens. As reported by You Today, a staggering 8 billion tokens were torched within 24 hours after the Shiba Burn portal launched as Shiba owners flocked to burn their tokens in large numbers. More Shiba tokens have been burned now that it has been almost 2 months since the initial burn. Recent reports as of June 19 indicate that more than 55 billion Shiba tokens have been burned. By sending Shiba tokens to a burn address, users can permanently remove them from the circulating supply. By doing this, it is possible to somewhat increase the token's scarcity, which might boost the token's price. Shiba Inu is up 52% for the week. On June 21st, Shiba Inu SHIB sharply rose more than 45% to become one of the biggest gainers on the crypto market. At the time of publication, Shiba Inu was trading up nearly 5% at $0.40 and $117, having remained up 52% since the past week. Also, SHIB ranks among the top 10 by trading volume among the 500 biggest Ethereum whales in the last 24 hours as accumulation continues. Presently, the top 2,000 Ethereum whales are holding $672 million worth of SHIB. The Shiba Inu holder count has jumped to 1,189,608 according to Whale Stats, demonstrating growth in June. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank Exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.